In this video, you are going to see how to make a bar chart in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Let us delete this bar chart by pressing the delete button. Now let us select this data, the name and the basic salary. Go to Insert, go to Chart and click on this option Chart. Then our default chart will be inserted. Click on the chart here. Let us go to the setup. From the chart type, we can use the column chart, or we can use the bar chart. I am going to use this one, bar chart. Then the chart will be inserted. If you want to customize it, click on the chart, go to data range. You can change the axis from here. In the y-axis, if you choose the basic salary, then it will be changed in the axis. I am going to use the name in the y-axis and go to customize. If you want to change the color of this chart, click on over here, and in the series you will see the basic salary and the fill color is here. You can change the fill color from here very easily. If you want to change the title, click on this title, and from here you can change the title very easily. Here you will see the title is reflected over here. If you want to change the font of this name, you can change from here very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.